Hey everybody, it's Mr. Johnston again, and what I want to show you is a really good sort of digital dust cleanup at the end of the semester. And to show you how you find this is a feature within your Mac that you want to access in the upper left-hand corner of your toolbar. And if you click on the little Apple icon, you're going to select this about this Mac. And once you do this, this brings you to a window that shows the specs on your Mac, what operating system you have. But what we're going to want to navigate over to is this little storage tab. And once I do that, you're going to see how much storage you have left on your computer. And if you've actually used up all your storage, you're going to find it's really difficult to save things. And so this is a great thing to do at the end of the semester by just kind of seeing how much space you have on your computer, maybe deleting some old files, and from that you'll have a lot of space of which your machine will work a lot more efficiently. So as this boots up, you'll see that I have about 20 gigs of space devoted to apps and a lot to documents. And this isn't a ton, but if you do have a lot, I'll walk you through the process of how to get rid of these. So you're going to select Manage, and after selecting Manage, it'll bring you to a new menu that shows you how all of your files and storage are kind of distributed. So it looks like I have about 13 gigs of documents. Looks like I have a fair amount of applications. I don't have a ton. I have about 5 gigs in the trash. And what I can do is I can just click like Review Files, and then from that I can like look at files and see if there's some things that I really don't need anymore. Now this is also a really handy feature. If you click on Size, this automatically sorts file size for you. And movies generally do take up a lot of storage space, so you can actually see I have an old Final Cut Pro library. This is an old project that takes about 4 gigs of space, which is quite a bit. But I do have some files here that I really don't need. So in my Mac, if I just actually select one, I can go down. If I want to select all these, I can just hit Shift, and then that selects multiple files at one time. And then from that, I can delete them. These are not actually deleted from my computer just yet. I need to also empty my trash. So anything you put in your trash is still technically in your computer. So you do need to empty your trash, and that cannot be undone. But once I do that, you'll see that you have more and more space on your computer, and it generally does save you a little space and gets your computer working more efficiently. The last thing you're going to do, and this also is addressed in the boot camp, is if you haven't organized your desktop in a while, really clean desktop on your computer is very similar to a clean desktop at home. So if you haven't done it in a while and you have some old files that you don't need, you might just consider like selecting these, dragging these to your trash can, emptying that. And also something we covered in the boot camp was sorting your stacks by name or by a file type, so they're all kind of organized for when you come back next semester. So I hope this was helpful. Spend a few minutes just decluttering your computer, getting rid of some of this old digital dust to free up some space on your computer, and I'll see you next semester.